Yeah, Nux, what's up? Hey, 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 I feel it in my bones. Arthritis, get excited, trust I get you touched like fucking Midas. When it comes to music, nigga, I'm a fucking hybrid. Bar songs, wordplay, how you gon' crush a giant. From my experience, these fake MCs go into hiding. And next like Anne Frank with they weak diaries. All you dudes got the same like the shit siren. No shelf life, these niggas rhymes expiring. I'm inspiring, never go retiring. 37 years of age, fire every line. And when I pick up my phone, click my notebook, this is my whole book. Somehow it gives my life another outlook. Yeah, I'm the greatest, that's just my opinion. But if you think I'm tripping, I hope I persuade you different. Fragile souls stay broke like fine China, always screaming, stay woke, and Black Lives Matter. But the fact of the matter is, Black Lives Matter. Back Gucci and pull that fucking brand together. Shit, we was better off with Jim Crow. At least then we knew the difference. Enemies and kinfolk. Yeah, we had to spend them dollars where we live. Now we quick to spend them dollars anywhere we can. And we'll get it enemies, my homies in the can. Doing numbers like the runner in the 60s, man. Yeah, I'm on my toes like a pair of sandals. Cause niggas flip flop like scrolling through the damn channels. This is hip hop, but somewhere it got dismantled. Took the power from the people, put it in the camera. Yeah, now everybody clout chasing. Facebook famous ass niggas and no vibrations. I don't feel it, better stay connected. These pussies take our culture and they use it as a weapon. That's why I'm tired of cancel culture. I'm a cancel culture and do a track with Yeezy before it's over. Nick Cannon on the hook, Quali for some closure. Tell the world to kiss my ass cause I'm a motherfucking soldier, nigga. Yes, I'm cocky, I boast and brag. The flow is sloppy, the beat is trash. Producer whack and you was ass. Hungry, wide wait, better grab a snicker before you put a hand in my plate, nigga.